what's the deal? And just in the first couple of pages of the introduction, I was like, oh, yeah, Mark and I got to talk about this one because this ties directly back, in my mind at least, to the themes that Daniel Quinn brought up in Ishmael, this idea that we've told a story that separates us from the world, that makes us dominant over it, right? And as a result, the general consensus, although there is debate about it, the general consensus is that we're on a path of, destroying the environment that supports life, not just for us, but for all life. And so the question then becomes, well, with so many news reports and scientific papers and stuff getting published with the potential collapse of the AMOC, the Atlantic Meridional Oscillating Current. Anyway, that brings warm water up from the Caribbean and that up into the North Atlantic, and then like cold water sinks and then goes around. And I read somewhere that one molecule of water, it takes like 10,000 years to make that entire circuit. But that apparently that keeps the winters in Europe from becoming like brutally cold kind of thing. So if that collapses, we have those risks, and glacier melts, and and yet in spite of all these stories, right, we keep burning fossil fuels, we keep on doing the kinds of things that these scientists are saying are causing this environmental degradation. So what's the deal? And Quinn's thesis was that we inherited like the wrong story,